Hello Players! There are a lot of famous actors, films, or singers known across the globe. But it does not mean that action movies are only limited to star those said icons. There are also those famous cars which had stuck to our minds, starring in action movies and which make up the entire plot as if they were the main characters of the movie. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. These cars have transcended the time barrier and have remained iconic throughout the years. Here are 5 breathtaking cars that have made their model be known across the world. Number 1, DeLorean DMC-12. Let's kick off the list with a time-traveling badass car. It is a famous sports car that became iconic for its appearance as a modified time machine in the Back to the Future film trilogy. The car was built by John DeLorean's DeLorean Motor Company for the US market between 1981 and 1982. And it remained the only model that the company has ever manufactured. Pretty much the dream car of any 90s kid. Number 2, 1968 Ford Mustang GT390. This car was driven by Steve McQueen in Bullitt. The movie's chasing scenes on the streets of San Francisco, where Inspector Frank Bullitt, starring Steve McQueen, chased a 1968 Dodge Charger, driven by Bill Hickman, as evil henchman Phil, are some of the best ever recorded on film. But aside from those films, these badass baby has been seen as a regular in the Fast and Furious franchise. Number 3, Aston Martin DB5. Yep, you got that right. This is the car of James Bond. Many regard it as the most beautiful Aston Martin ever manufactured. The car was released in 1963 and it first appeared in 1964's Goldfinger. Aston Martin and James Bond is an iconic combination which many will never forget. The Aston Martin DB5 continued appearing in Thunderball, GoldenEye, Tomorrow Never Dies, Casino Royale, and 2012's Skyfall. Number 4, 1970 Dodge Charger. Did you know that this vehicle has been destroyed, restored and then destroyed again? The 1970 Dodge Charger is the main car that Dominic Toretto drives in the Fast and Furious franchise. The Charger made a return in the 5th film, while a Charger Daytona appeared in the 6th installment of the series. The car is famous for its incredible 900 horsepower and for holding a record of a quarter-mile time of just 9 seconds flat, set by Dom's father. Number 5, Bumblebee's Camaro. Whenever this cool yellow sports car passes by the road, you would surely hear some kids saying a bee. In 2007, Chevrolet's 5th-generation Camaro was selected to represent Bumblebee in the Transformers franchise, reintroducing the muscle car. In case you were wondering who Bumblebee is, here is a short description. Bumblebee is one of the main Autobot characters in the Transformers film series. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.